Hey everybody and welcome to the channel. This is Into the Radius. First time playing. Let's see how it goes. That was terrifying.
Come closer. Try to touch me.
That's terrifying.
Oh, you can hear me. I kept trying to speak to others, but they couldn't, and... help me, please.
You know, I'm assuming that during this tutorial, they don't expect... Well, maybe they expect you to grab this stuff, but I imagine a lot of people don't. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it, but I mean, I found an extra knife besides the one they gave me. I'm going to take all these mags. They were set up for target practice. I mean, hey, we'll see what happens. Does not seem like the right way to go. I feel like Marty McFly about to fly off the railroad tracks. Alright, I guess I'm going into the radius for my first mission. Alright, let's see where I need to go. Let's see, I guess that's me. That's my mission. Let's see. Yep, okay, so I got home. And then, oh, I can see one of the creatures over there. Okay, I need to go that way, I guess. Alright, let's go. Ooh, what's this stuff? I don't even know what you are. Oh. Rocket, hand-fired parachute? I don't know. Go ahead. Get in the bag. Give me some candy bar. Hazelnut sweet. Not a big fan of hazelnut, if I'm being honest. Okay, they say you need stuff like this to clean your gun, so... I'm just grabbing it all. It's all new to me. Come on, there you go. It's all new to me. I'm taking it all. That way. Oh, he spotted me. Guess we're gonna have to kill him. Oh, shoot. Safety arm? No, not good. Oh, shoot, not good. Second. Nope, let's see. What the? The mag is empty. Oh, you son of a gun. Well, at least it's not that fast. So let's empty that. Let's grab this, put it in. There we go. Freaking didn't tell me the mag was empty. Man, I am a terrible shot. What the? Ay. Oh my goodness gracious. This is not going well for me. Alright, let's pick up our magazines. Kept dropping them. These are good to refill.
What's this tunnel hum again? Just got the new coil installed. Should work all right.
Yeah. Not gonna lie, he jump scared me. I've been told you gotta look around corners in this game, because they'll hide like good guns in the most random places. Ooh. Whoa. Oh. I didn't see that thing. invisible. Alrighty then. Oh shoot. Where'd he go? That thing. Uh-oh. So that's how you kill those ones. Ah, he's still following me. I wonder if he can climb stairs. Or ladders, I mean. Yeah. I see you. Now get up this ladder. Come on. Come on, climb up the ladder. Climb up the ladder. Oh, he's trying. Let's just take care of him. Well, I would say that was a pretty successful first run. Oh, what the? I didn't put this in here. Huh. Okay, well. Everything else I got, I felt like was pretty substantial. I got me one of those detectors for the artifacts, I think they're called. I got me a new flashlight that I can just set there. Got some ammo that I used. I don't know, so good.